It's been 30 days since starting to learn how to code. And honestly, I feel like I've opened a door to a whole new world. The first few days were a total blur, as I'm sure it is for a lot of people starting to learn how to code. For me, it was just basic HTML tags, learning about paragraphs, links, headings, just normal basic stuff. But even that felt magical at times. I'd write a few lines, hit refresh in the browser, and then boom, there it was, something I built. And that feels really good when you first start out. Feels like you accomplished something. I remember spending way too much time trying to figure out the difference between a div and a span element. It really felt like I was trying to decode an ancient language, but I was really starting to fall in love with it. I wasn't building anything fancy, I was just building like a super simple personal homepage at the time, but I was hooked. I was refreshing the browser probably 100 times just looking at different font sizes for the web page. Once I got the hang of HTML, I dove into CSS. And that's when I realized just how deep the rabbit hole goes. At least in the beginning, styling a web page felt very difficult. But I believe once you understand the basic structure of CSS, everything else becomes a lot easier when it comes to styling a web page. Don't get me wrong, you will fail a lot, as I did, especially in the beginning. But when you finally get something to work and you see it transform your web page, it feels amazing. Now, once I got a hang of CSS, this is probably the highlight of my 30 days of learning how to code, because I started to dive into building a web page for my daughter's birthday, which I've talked about in a previous video. But I became obsessed with it, especially this live countdown timer on it, and it's something that I watched a ton of tutorials on, and just trying to figure out how a live counter would work on a web page and styling that. This was kind of my moment where I realized it's not just about learning, it's about creating, and code gave me the power to create something that didn't exist before, and that was very addicting. Now, around halfway through my 30 days, I started hearing a lot about Git and GitHub. Now, I did not know a whole lot about it, and I still don't know everything there is, but I thought GitHub was just a place you could just upload files and you just leave them there. I now realize that it's a lot more than that. Git is like a time machine for your code. It lets you track your progress, undo your mistakes, and keep your work organized. And GitHub is where you store all of that information online, and you can collaborate with others and also back it up, just in case your laptop explodes. I learned how to make repositories, make commits, and push it to GitHub. When I saw my code go live on GitHub for the first time, I felt very proud. It felt very official, like I was finally becoming a real coder. Now, the last 30 days has not all been easy. Some nights I would stare at my screen and stare at code for hours with zero progress. Sometimes I felt like I was doing too many tutorials and I couldn't translate that into my own projects. But I've still learned a lot, not just about HTML, CSS, or Git, but how to think like a developer. Now, these 30 days don't just make me a developer, but I believe it's given me the confidence knowing that I can do this going forward. And what the next 30 days or next 90 days are going to bring, I know that I'm capable of doing this now that I've gotten through these 30 days. I still have a long way to go, but after 1 month, I'm starting to feel like I belong here. Like, coding is not just a phase that I think it can lead to something more exciting in the future. And if you're out there wondering if you can start coding now, just start. You won't know everything in 30 days. I still don't know everything. I'm just starting out. But I can tell you, you'll know a lot more than you ever imagined after 30 days.